Let's head to the kitchen to see what our good friend Chef D is cooking up for us this morning. Hello.
Hey Annette, how are you?
I'm doing very well, thank you.
Hey, welcome to the kitchen, and it's all about keeping it local today. Local greenhouses. Our good friends from DeFresco Pure have these amazing strawberries. Look at these berries. Have you thought about having a fresh berry in the end of October?
Yeah, because they're not in season in our area in the ground, right? But I've been
Right.
buying Ontario greenhouse strawberries probably every week for I don't know how long now because they taste so good.
They are, and they're available all year round. That's what's so cool about them. Super sweet. They're not coming thousands and thousands of miles to your kitchen table, and they're absolutely fantastic. Look how great they are. And well, you can attest how
Yep, they're
flavorful.
delicious.
And then we have also some sweet peppers. We have some grape tomatoes. Now, it's funny, yesterday I was doing some recipes at the kitchen, so I brought them out, and every chef that walked by grabbed a tomato and ate a bunch of them. So we're going to make a strawberry pie, Annette. So we're going to come over to this side of the kitchen. I have some sugar. We're going to add in about half a cup of sugar, 3 tablespoons of gelatin. Give it a quick stir.
Now, I know you're using fresh strawberries today, but if you've frozen some from your own garden, could you use those too?
100% you could. 100% you could. So we have our DeFresco berries. We're going to put those in. And if I remember correctly, they have like 15 acres of greenhouses now that they're growing these berries in. So we're going to give this a quick stir. We're going to let it come up to a boil.
I bet that sounds so sweet right now.
So we're going to let that come up to a boil. We're going to come back over here, and I'm just going to show you that these peppers, very little seeds in them. I'm just going to take one apart here because we're going to do a little appetizer. And as you can see, that's all the seeds that you get.
Okay, easy to clean then.
Okay, 100%. So I have 4 already cleaned. Now what I did, and just for the sake of timing this morning, is I've made this with some roasted garlic, some jalapeno, and a little bit of sauteed onions, and it's cream cheese. So we're going to fill the peppers up. Just like so.
And will you have that cream mixture on your website?
Yes, I will.
Okay.
So we're just going to fill that up like so. Do one more. Of course, there's probably a stuck jalapeno there.
You've clogged it with goodness. While you're doing that, you should, when you're shopping for your produce, right, really look at the labels to make sure that it is Ontario, because you'll see greenhouse grown, or you'll get the Ontario Foodland labeling.
100%. So then, with the magic of TV, we happen to have some already done.
Nice.
So you pop them in the oven, 350 degrees in your convection oven, or you can, we use our barbecues all the time here in Ontario, so why don't we use our barbecues, make them, grill them, and they're absolutely fantastic. So to finish the pie, I've just cleaned off the tops of all the berries into a baked pie shell.
Now, this is in addition to the berries that you have cooking on the stove, right?
100%. I'm coming back over with those. And you just see, this makes our sauce here. We're going to put that over top.
Oh.
Just like that. Now, again, just kind of pop it in your refrigerator for about, I'm going to say about an hour. And look at it. It sets up beautifully.
Wow, so it's almost a no-bake pie then, right? Depending on how you did
it truly is a no-bake pie. Other than, sorry, you have to bake the shell, but that's about it, right? And then you cut into it. And the great thing, I'm sorry, and I forgot to mention, kids, Jell-O. I grew up eating Jell-O, you know what I mean? So you can actually make that, the extra strawberries, put it in bowls for your kids, and then you have a fresh fruit gelatin, you know what I mean? And it's really nice and and great. So we're just going to take a piece of the pie out here.
Oh, I wish you were in studio. I can't wait for those days when you're going to be back in our studio with our nice kitchen. But for now, we've run out of time, Chef D. But we'll get the link up to your website at chch.com. Always great chatting with you.
Thanks a lot, Annette. Have a great day, okay?
You too.